Hey guys, so I'm going to go out to our shop and I'm going to show y'all. September is our pre-emerge season, or our pre-emerge month. We are applying it for the winter weeds that are popping up. I'm going to show y'all what product we're using this year and why we use it. And we've been using it for quite a while, but there's some good reasons behind it. So we put it down. We're mostly Bermuda, good number of zoysia and some St. Augustine here. And we apply it in September because October normally the soil temperatures start dropping and we'll start seeing germination of POA and some of the other winter weeds. The broadleaves normally a little bit later, but we want to get it down to control them. The weeds that you see in January, February, and especially March and April, this is the time that we control those. And the pre-emerge that we use, I'm going to flip it around real quick. We are using Spectacle. And I know, a lot of people say this is a really expensive product. I think it runs about $1,700 a gallon. But the rates is actually very low. I believe we're at 11 ounces an acre for Bermuda, and then I think it's 5 or 6 for St. Augustine. But this product has a really long control period, so it'll control weeds all the way through the spring. And what I like about this is just how well it controls. I use this even when I was in the golf industry. When it first kind of came out, we started using it. A lot of people were scared just because of some stories out there of what it damaged on turf throughout the winter. I have never seen any issues. Of course, we're real careful about how we apply it, when we apply it. If there's rainfall right after you spray, or if there's rain in the forecast, you have to be careful. And I say we use this year. We do rotate our chemicals. I believe they're still saying they haven't seen any resistance with Spectacle, but regardless, we will spray this 2 summers, and then we'll rotate it with another product with a different mode of action for the third, and then we'll come back to Spectacle. We don't use it in the spring. We'll use a couple other products for that for different reasons. We don't want to get into using Spectacle in the summer and in the late winter is when we apply it, because you're going to get, if you ever have to resod or if you have to do anything, if you spray this, of course you have a max rate for the year. But if you get this going back to back, you're really going to have some issues if you have to kind of replant or resod anything. And I believe they make a granular product for the beds, planting beds. I can't remember, but something to look at. Anyways, highly recommend this, even though the price is up there, but the control you're going to get is fantastic. And so far, nothing's really going to beat it. You can do split apps with this. Obviously, anytime you can do a split app, it's recommended. It doesn't work for our business model that we have, but it's definitely something to look at. If y'all have any questions, just leave it in the comments below. Thanks a lot.